My name is Brett Melton, and I am the agency owner for HCIP Insurance Services. The reason that you're receiving this video is because Health Alliance has announced that they are going out of business at the end of 2025. This is huge news across the entire state of Illinois, but more specifically Central Illinois and down into Southern Illinois. So we felt that there was two major updates that we need to inform as many people as possible to help prepare them for 2026. The first one, which is probably going to be one of the most important, is the fact that the entire state of Illinois has made the decision that they are no longer going to be using Healthcare.gov as their state-based exchange. The state of Illinois is going to go to their own private state-based exchange called Get Covered Illinois. This is important because there's going to be a lot of people that try to go to Healthcare.gov and they're not going to be able to sign up for health insurance with Illinois. There's going to be a lot of people that just miss the memo and are not prepared. There's going to be a lot of people that have questions or concerns, or they're just confused and they don't know who to talk to because of all these quick changes that are happening. The second thing is just the fact that Health Alliance is going out of business. So what other carriers are in the market? Well, the biggest player is going to be Blue Cross Blue Shield. There are going to be other companies that come into the market, and we will be notified as that happens. But we want to make sure that your doctors are a network, your prescriptions are covered, you're still getting your best copays, your best deductible, and qualifying for the most subsidies to help keep your monthly payments as affordable as possible. Myself and my staff are ready and willing to provide world-class customer service to help you with that transition to a new health insurance plan for 2026. So there are 240,000 people in the state of Illinois that are going to be losing their Health Alliance at the end of the year. Open enrollment starts November 1st, so schedule an appointment with myself or somebody on the HCIP staff so that we can help you with that transition. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. We look forward to helping you with your health insurance, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.